One of the things that we're doing in tech transfer is we're embedding these licensing managers or technology managers into the schools, where they'll spend about half their time literally sitting at the college they're assigned to, as well as part of the time back at the OTT central office.
But on a day-to-day basis, it's through these individuals that we jointly hired. They're called Embeds, and our Embed is Paul Eynott. And these Embeds are in the college trying to really see the reality of the college when it comes to tech transfer. And in the case of the College of Science, the opportunities are enormous because we basically are, in many ways, exquisite in the kinds of research that we do, but not necessarily smart about how we transfer it to industry. So we've always needed somebody like Paul, and we've always needed somebody that's embedded. And we've always needed an entity that is a central entity that accelerates, that allows these folks that are interested to have a chance of being successful.
As part of the Tech Launch Arizona family, they've created a bunch of Embed licensing manager roles which are in the respective colleges across campus. I represent the College of Science primarily. There are other Embeds that represent the other colleges on campus, such as the College of Medicine, ELA, Engineering. So what do? My primary objective is to serve faculty, staff, on matters related to intellectual property management, commercialization, so that faculty can fully leverage the services that are now available to them under Tech Launch Arizona that were previously not available to them before.
I'm the licensing embed in the College of Agriculture and Life Sciences. CALS, as it's known, is the founding college at the University of Arizona. So within CALS, across those departments, we see inventions ranging from natural plant antimicrobials, which are being studied to reduce foodborne pathogens and improve the food supply for consumers. Also, another type of technology that we're working on in the college is a vaccine for chickens to reduce Campylobacter. Within campus, being embedded in the college allows me to keep my finger on the pulse of the research going on across the college, across the varied departments. Allows me to establish solid relationships with the faculty members, staff, and students who are creating these inventions, right? As opposed to simply being an acquaintance with them and someone for them to call at the Office of Technology Transfer. As opposed to that, we're building strong relationships and developing trust between the faculty member and our office so that we can help them identify, develop, and then eventually protect intellectual property that we'll commercialize for the better good.
First and foremost, there's now a group of people who understand the context in which change has to occur. If we're going to do this at the university, it has to be done within the university. It has to, and which means with the values, with the culture, with the timing, with the processes, with the people that are at the university. There's first a level of respect that has to be very evident. Yes, there are great programs here and great science being done, and that has meaning in its own right. Let's then find the people that we can work with that want to take that and have more impact beyond that meaning in its own right, which would be meaning as it relates to adding to the body of knowledge, as you would be you'd see in journals or and presentations and other things like that, to getting the technology into use so that it benefits the human condition.